Does your drone need repair? Africa Drone Kings is a DJI-approved after-sales support and drone repair center, known nationally for the high-quality, fast, and efficient drone repairs we provide. Our industry-leading engineers provide unparalleled support and valuable advice. Our engineering department holds the highest professional standards, and all aircraft delivered through our manufacturing and repair services receive the same level of attention and care. ADK has recently even been able to carry out technical repairs in several African countries, and our standards have not declined at any point. Our team of experts is locally recognized for the expert advice they provide to ensure that end users know how to maintain every component that comes in their package. We use advanced communication systems to ensure that our clients remain updated on their ticket and be part of the journey as much as possible. Every repair is different, but our highly trained technicians are always ready to assist. Contact us and book your drone in today.